Hello Lockaholics, this is Subsonic 1050 with another picking video. And this one is an American lock. It is a model 5200 and this is a US model. I got this lock in a trade with Mr. Sauer of keypicking.com. So thank you very much Mr. Sauer for the lock. And let's go ahead and try to pick this thing. I'm having trouble picking these American locks with the camera between me and the lock for a few reasons, but most notably because there's an angle on the way it sits in there, the way the key sits in there, and if I put the camera between me and the lock, the camera gets in the way of my pick. So I'm going to put the camera off to the side here and we'll see how that turns out. I'm going to be using a music wire top of the keyway tension wrench and a homebrew 15 thousandths pick. So let's see what we can do here. Okay, pin 1 is set. I believe pin 2 is set. I think pin 1 fell down slightly. I think it's up now. Pin 3 might be set. No, pin 3 was not set. I think it is now. Pin 1 fell back down. Alright, I've got a deep false set going here. And I'm feeling nothing with this 15 thousandths wrench, so I'm gonna, or pick, so I'm gonna switch to a different hook. This is another homebrew. It's a 25 thousandths. Let me be able to torque on stuff a little bit more. It kind of scrapes the wording a little bit, so I like the 15 thousandths better. But when you need to pry on stuff, okay, pin 4 is giving me counter rotation here. Okay, I think 4 is set, but I lost the false set. Okay, there it is. I just needed to touch pin 5. So, there it is, picked open. Let's go ahead and gut this thing. We've got Phillips. Still not out of there. It's got to be out of there. Oh, it's falling out the bottom. Alright. And there's the core. Get that clip off. Come on. There we go. Alright, let's see here. Well, I've screwed up here, so this is gonna be a big mess, but we'll see what we get. Alright, these are all gonna come falling out of here. I knew I had to rotate this, so this is gonna be pin 5 is serrated. 4 is a serrated spool. 3 is a serrated spool. 2 is a serrated spool. And 1 is serrated. And for key pins here, 1 looks like it's standard. 2 is actually serrated. That's kind of unusual. 3 is serrated, 4 is serrated, and 5 is serrated. So serrated key pins in this lock. That's a little unusual. But let's see. Give you a look at what we've got here. So we have 4 serrated key pins, 1 standard, 3 serrated spool drivers, and 2 serrated drivers. And that is an American lock number 5200. Sorry, let me get that in frame. And let's actually just look and see. Yeah, there was no wafer in this lock. So I don't know if this is an old one or what, but I believe this lock would be susceptible to the American lock bypass as well. So anyway, that is a 5200 picked open. Mr. Sauer, thank you for the lock, and everybody else, thanks for watching. Have a good one.